I'm Jocelyn Snow, and this is the Moto Pockets side case bag. It fits just inside your side pannier box, both OEM and aftermarket boxes. This bag comes in two colors, bright orange and black. I like the bright orange one because if I ever get in trouble on the side of the road, I can just open up my cases and oncoming traffic can see the bright orange. It's very visible. Installation is easy. These bags come with a nice big strong Velcro patch. You just peel this back here. Now, I set mine out in the sun for about an hour or so. Got it real warm and soft, which makes it easier to install. Of course, they come with the alcohol prep pad. Just clean the inside of the metal on your pannier box just to get all that grease and dirt off. Simply peel this on back, line it up about the center of your box. Just kind of set that in. Now some boxes have these little nuts or different hardware on the inside. If you want, you can cut that part out of the Velcro, have it sit more flat. It's totally up to you. Just set that in there and get it started. There's a little secret. I think I got it in here somewhere. A spoon, just a tablespoon. Helps you really push the edges down. Just to keep it secure. Once Velcro is down, the bag just sits right on. Some of the items that I like to keep in my Moto Pockets bag are easy to get to. Things I don't want to fumble all through the pannier box looking for. Flashlights, some light tools. I've got zip ties. I've got a Leatherman. You can put whatever you want in there. It's nice to have the things handy. You can get to them real quickly. And you can take it off and take it with you. That's the Moto Pocket side case bag. And I'm Jocelyn Snow. Thanks for watching.